Hey folks, Adam here, and I have the distinct opportunity to show off my favorite new slushy machine on the planet. This is a flavor-filled frozen drink maker that's going to innovate and change your world. It's going to be a lot of fun for parties, and I cannot wait to invite Chuck, Michelle, and Laura, and everybody from Ruby's over to my house to have slushies. Now, before we truly get started, I gotta give a big shout out to the company, okay? These guys, they've been making high quality devices, and have you ever used a particular device, had to talk to customer service, or just been using their device after device after device, and suddenly you start to feel like part of the family? You wanna wear the t-shirt and you know that, they've got your back? Well, that's how I feel with this company, okay? You've seen us review several models and devices from them, and you know what? They just keep getting better. They always work, they're easy to use, they've improved my life, and I'm very happy about that. I can't say that about every company and every slushy machine that comes through. Sometimes they'll leak, sometimes the setup is difficult, sometimes they just don't start like they should, but these guys have you covered with high quality devices that are going to make your life better. Now think about that. Say you're gonna have a little slumber party with the kids. Well, get some Hawaiian Punch, get some Fanta, get some juices, get some orange juice, and start making them slushies. Say you're gonna have the adults over one night. Well, this is a perfect device for them too. Mix some drinks, get them going. You could get a couple of these slushy machines, or they wash out so easily. They're really, truly fantastic. Just rinse them out, make another, make another, make another, and really kick your party off. This is going to be the centerpiece of your social event. Think about that. Halloween, New Year's, Thanksgiving, Christmas. This can be used every single holiday, and every time someone comes over your house, make a delicious ice smoothie, slushy, or other drink concoction for them. Again, a great brand. They stand behind their products, and can you tell I'm a little choked up because I've just been thinking about how important and how impressive this brand has been to my life. There's been a lot of talk about, do these companies really care about you? Are they only trying to make a buck? Well, I can tell you this company cares about their products. They're a company that cares about quality, making sure their customers live a good life and are happy, and that makes me happy. Now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and try some of these slushies and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so this is really, really cool. Now, I love the fact that it gives me a line right here, and we were able to fill this up to the max line, and we put our, this is a Fanta, and we were able to put this in here and make a delicious drink. Now, I also like to use Hawaiian Punch. I like to use root beer, Coca-Cola. That is Jennifer's favorite, Kelly's favorite, and boy, they love this as well. We've got a lot of great options here. This is an innovative machine, and it even comes with a quick start guide, but honestly, you don't even need that much quick start. It comes out of the box, you just put the handle on it and it's ready to go. In fact, we can probably show some overlay footage of the box itself. And then I'm gonna show you here in a second all the different processes and ways to adjust it, making frappes, slushies, milkshakes, cocktails. You can even use WINE. You can clean itself. It's got a child lock. Yeah, so they're not starting and stopping it. And easy power on and off. So let's show you that. All right, folks, so the best way to show that is with the guide. This is what the front of the machine will look like. You can change the thickness very easily. We've got ours set to 3 out of 4, just plus and minus. You've got slushy or frappe. We're currently making slushy, but we'll show you some other drinks. The milkshake, the cocktails, this guy, the clean, pause, stop. You've got the child lock and the on and off. It's really easy. And you know what? I love that drip tray. We're going to show you right there. There's the drip tray. So if you have any drips, it's not getting on your wood. And this drip tray, when you're done, you can just rinse it off and use it again. So very straightforward there. A great design overall. So folks, a cool thing about this is it's only been running for about 15-20 minutes since we first got it. Again, we can adjust the thickness. Here is the display like we showed you. And we do have it set to slushy. I left these stickers on here because I thought they'd be good talking points for the videos. It says, remove the condensation after each use. Right there, this catches the condensation so you can wipe it out. You've got the drip tray as well. And it says, set it upright for 2 hours when you first get it out of the box, just to make sure all the coolant goes in the right spot. Now look at this, look at this. Just showing you how thick this is, right? Look at how thick this is. Isn't this delicious looking? They've just done a great job here. It's so good I almost hate to break into it, but boy, that is going to be... Oh, okay. Okay, Amy picked up a pineapple coconut. I wasn't even sure what flavor we were doing today. I didn't actually read the side of the bottle. So it's a pineapple coconut, and oh, that is thick and rich. You know, a lot of people will go ahead, you can put a little bit of milk in there to give it a creamy flavor too, but there's so many different options, and Amy loves doing wine with it, but oh, this is good. And I love the fact that an entire 2-liter bottle will fit into this. This is really impressive. It's got the max and min fill line, so you can do it as few as 16 ounces to do just a single or 2 servings, or you can do enough to feed the entire family. And oh my goodness, this is so good. I'm gonna see if my editor Watson, if he will show some of the other flavors and different things that we've done with this. But I love the fact that you can make some mixed drinks, some cocktails, some daiquiris, some smoothies, some slushies, everything in between. Oh, that is so good, folks. I gotta tell you, and look how thick that is, right? A lot of the other slushy machines are not making anything nearly this thick. This is better than what you're gonna get at the store, at the smoothie place. This is absolutely delicious. I gotta get, look at that. Look at that, folks. It's just holding onto the spoon even on the bottom. This is really cool. All right, folks, so I'm gonna pour myself just a little bit more. Very nice that you can control the speed that it comes out. And wow, this is absolutely delicious. They've done a great job time and time again. Look at the thickness of this. A delicious smoothie that just makes me happy, and it's gonna make you happy. So folks, before I wrap this thing up, I just want you to know, remember, there's a lot of different drink options that you can do. Hopefully we'll show a couple. But this, the limits are at your imagination. Because if you've got a nice sugary drink, and you have to have a certain percentage of sugar in here, but a lot of drinks have that, this is gonna be a great option for you. So folks, we're talking about a superior frozen drink experience with a one-touch frozen drink option, 5 preset settings, custom temperature control, easy to use. This guy right here, very straightforward screen. It's compact and easy to move. You can store it just about anywhere. When I don't need it, I just put it under the counter, but you could put it in the garage if you want. Hassle-free cleaning, okay? That's a big part, that you can just rinse it out and you're good to go. Clean out that drip tray. It's just literally pull this out right here, pour out your remaining smoothie or slushy, and you're good to go. And of course, the very straightforward design of the handle makes it very easy to use and control the flow. And yeah, we've had a couple smoothies already, and there's still plenty left. Of course, included is the recipe book for your inspiration. We're talking soda slushies, cranberry, strawberry, lemonade slushies. Yeah, add strawberry cran and sweet lemonade. Oh my goodness. Tropical slushies. This is a tropical juice blend, very similar to what we concocted, right? Good stuff there. It says all juices have to have at least 5% sugar. Coffee frappe, very fun. Even topped it off with a little bit of whipped cream, some vanilla extract, some granulated sugar, some black coffee, and 1.5 cups of half and half. Cold mocha milkshakes, folks. Oh my goodness. You are gonna love so many options here. All you need is some milk, some cocoa powder, and some heavy cream. Strawberry milkshakes. Oh my goodness. Some milk, some heavy cream, some vanilla extract, some sugar, and some strawberry syrup. Look at this. Top it off with an actual strawberry. Kids are gonna love it. Some espresso martini. Yeah, the martini style. You know what I'm talking about. some Irish cream, some coffee, some vodka. Yeah, apple cider slushy. Yeah, this is great for if you're going to have a Kentucky Derby party. And think about this. This could be really fun for an Easter party. So many different things. The red W-I-N-E slushy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is some good stuff, folks. So many options. A frozen mimosa. Woo! I bet you could make a frozen mint julep too for the Kentucky Derby. But so many different fun things here. I love these, folks, and I know you will too. So folks, something else I really want to stress is the upgraded capacity that we have here. That's a big thing. How easy it is to clean and how easy it is to assemble. So that big capacity on that S2.0 really makes this the frozen drink maker of the future. So yeah, folks, once again, a great brand, a great company, and delicious slushies and smoothies and drinks, mixed drinks for me and you. They can be made for the kids. Go ahead and make a creamsicle float. There's so many different options. I like to take a little bit of orange, go ahead and put it in here, then take a scoop of vanilla ice cream into my cup, fill it up, and you've got a delicious creamsicle. Absolutely great. With that, the Fanta orange is a perfect tie-in with the vanilla ice cream. Also, take your A&W root beer. I'm an A&W root beer guy. Go ahead and pour it in here. Again, a scoop of ice cream, or let that ice cream melt and then put it in here. You can make a root beer float like you've never had before. Folks, this makes me happy, and I know it's gonna make you happy as well. A premier and tremendous brand, great quality, and right out of the box ready to go. Again, just set it up for 2 hours, upright for 2 hours to make sure you do that with any air conditioning device, any device that cools. Make sure it's set up for about 2 hours. Turn it on, you're good to go without a word to say. This is great. It's got the drip tray, it's got the easy handle, and it's gonna make you live a new life, and you're gonna be the hero to your friends and the hero to your kids. Invite the entire baseball team or basketball team over for drinks one night. They're gonna have a great time. You know I love and appreciate you. You know it's just fun to make videos like this. Sometimes I make videos, some lawnmower videos and stuff. You know what? I don't like making those. This is a video that I wish I could make every single day because I get to have fun smoothies, I get to have drinks and concoctions and daiquiris, and it's so much fun. I love you guys. Go get one. Goodbye, my friends. Pick it up.